Hi guys, welcome back. I have two new demand gen updates for you, quite big ones. The first one is the new copy paste upgrade tool that I discovered 4 days ago, and this update is initiating the new video action to demand gen upgrade that Google already published some weeks ago. So from beginning March 2025, you cannot create new video action campaigns because they are going to be upgraded all to demand gen. And the automated upgrade will be around Q1 or Q2, I think Q2 25. But I already discovered the new copy paste upgrade tool. So if you have a video action campaign and you want to copy paste it into your account, Google will already ask you, hey, this is a video action conversion campaign. Here you can upgrade directly to the demand gen. Yeah, as you can see here, quite nice. Then I have another upgrade for the demand gen campaigns, and here we can see that the demand gen have now the new video enhancements. So this is like a new setting that you can tick, and that means that you give Google Ads or Google Control to get vertical and square versions of your videos. So Google will crop it automatically. They say it's going to be intelligent cropping, but yeah, I think it's better that you test it for yourself. You can already, like, once you enable it, Google will show you the examples how it will look like, and you can even get the reporting on the vertical and square version of your video. So if they have, for example, more conversions, then you're all set and you can use it. Yeah, so those are the two new upgrades I wanted to show you. Bye bye.